Are we ready? I think we're ready. The volume levels are coming in real nice, so that's good. I'm going to take a sip of coffee. This won't be in the video. I'm Matt, and I work at Gizmo. Gizmo is an amazing makerspace in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and we have all kinds of tools and machines that we want you to learn how to use. But many of you are working at home right now, like me, or learning at home, also me, or managing homeschool children, like me. There's an opportunity here in this weird time that we're in trying to figure out viruses and pandemics and things. It's a chance to learn. So what we want to do together with you is invite you to come learn how to 3D model with us. 3D modeling is a really, really important skill. And you might be wondering, why do you want a 3D model? Well, that's a great question. Because first of all, anybody can learn it. So in this challenge, this series of videos we're going to do together, we're actually going to be teaching two different pieces of software. One's called Tinkercad, which is insanely powerful, can be used by professionals to do amazing things. But it's a tool set that's designed for younger learners. So it's pretty unintimidating. It's fun because you get to pick stuff up and move it around in software. We're also going to be learning a piece of software called Onshape, which is also free. And it's important to note both Tinkercad and Onshape run in a web browser. So we're thinking about you learners who are home that have Chromebooks or tablets, or maybe have checked out some technology from your school. Having browser-based 3D modeling technology is good for two reasons. One, it runs on a ton of different computer hardware, which is great. And most of your designs are available in the cloud, so it's really easy to share and move those files back and forth and start working on one device and pick up work on another one. We want you to have the opportunity when Gizmo's doors reopen to the public again to come and make something. And wouldn't it be cool if you had built some skills in this time to design your own 3D things? Here is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be posting videos. We'll have our first set up today. So this is video 1, and we'll run these two tracks in parallel. So what we're going to do at first is we're going to take some designs, which I'll put up on the screen now, and we're going to build those. We start with what are called isometric measured drawings. So these would be parts that would need to be machined with precision. So these measurements really matter, and the angles and the way these things are arranged, that really matters. So we're going to learn how to transfer an isometric drawing into a 3D model, and in so doing, we're going to learn how to use these different environments. We'll do one model per video, so we'll post build part number 1 with a Tinkercad video and an Onshape video, and we'll continue to do that through 3 parts, maybe 4. I don't know. It kind of depends on where we're getting with our skills by the end of that. And then we'll introduce the challenge for you to design something that can be either laser cut or 3D printed, so that when Gizmo reopens, you can come in and get your parts cut. So, will you come play? Will you come learn how to do this with me? I'm really excited to have you along. I hope this is fun for you. I will put my contact information down below, so please don't hesitate to reach out. And happy building.